The full moon of the night. This good for eat the dog meat.
Who?
What are you doing on the top of Wugando's house?
We are carving this here.
Carving dish?
Furthermore, we are see the pretty girl and watch the moon.
It is bad for me to see, because I'm the bride.
It is good for us to carving dish. What's up? Our main course dog meat haven't solved yet.
I'm Spy Star. Under the crop of China, I will arrest you because you are traffic dish. See the pretty girl, watch the moon, eat the dog meat, and enter private place illegally. I arrest you formally.
Dog meat is just our special word. You know, it is composed by soybean. Okay?
Why? We see the girl is illegal.
It is no reason in here.
Since I'm small, my behavior is good. This is my result of primary school. Please give me one way to go. Won't you?
Every subject got D. High sense. You are.
Ever I was a monitor.
But you got D. I cannot but catch you.
Is this fraud really? I have ever got the first in the class.
As I have never got the first of the class, so I catch you.
I ever got the champion of race.
Even a champion still can fall. So watch, good on you. All of you on the floor, put your hand on your head. I think you will be put not less than 10 years.
Very true. Perhaps let's choose another day for the carving dish.